Hello everyone, it's Varun here. In this video, we are going to talk about how your instructor or a site admin can create Zoom video meetings at the Learndash dashboard and how it can be shared within the groups and within the mails, within the messages, or within the lesson or the topics content. First of all, you have to make sure the Zoom settings are enabled from here. So we have a Zoom meeting option, and there's an option to enable it. Once it is enabled, you have to configure the option for that one, like you include API key for these details with client ID, client secret key, user email. If you want to share your the same API key need to be shared with the instructor, you have to select which instructor can included as a co-host to your Zoom account. In that way, you can enable your instructor to use your API key, so all the meetings are going to be scheduled at your account. And if you want to give them option instructor can use their own account, then you have to turn off this option. In that way, instructor have to use their own Zoom account and they have to configure it at their end via creating their account ID and client ID and the secret key. And we have also given a tutorial at our documentation page where it will guide you what exactly you have to do and how you can create these authentication keys at the Zoom application level. So you can check these options to how these can be created. So first of all, I'm considering that all the API key has been created at a Zoom level and they are included here inside the setting. And once the setting will be enabled, at a front end we have a functionality like a Zoom meeting. Inside the Zoom meeting, we can create a new meeting and all the upcoming list meetings will be displayed like this one. And we have meeting join link option or browser join, like you can also conduct the meeting inside the browser. And when you have to start the meeting, you can use this option. And each meeting what we are providing, we are also creating as a dedicated page for them. So it will display the meeting title, meeting description, what we have displayed, and when this meeting is going to be happen. And if you want to start the meeting, you can use this button. As a student, they will have only the join option, and as a meeting owner, you can also start the meeting. And this section can be used for the description what you have included for the Zoom meeting. If you are going back, how to create a meeting. For the creation of the meeting, we have following options. When the API keys are created, you have to include the meeting title, description for that one. If you want to keep a password for your meeting, you can also include that one. You have to include next when this meeting is going to be happen. So for that, I'm planning to conduct a meeting tomorrow at 2 p.m. So just I have to select the timing for the meeting. And once the timing is configured, you can also set what is the duration for this meeting, like 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, based on which plan you are using. And the free plan, you cannot add a meeting which has more than 45 minute plan. And you can also select in which time zone your meeting is going to happen. And for the meeting option, if we are also giving the general option, so what you are getting on the Zoom, like participant meeting start when the host join before host, or disabling the waiting room, or mute participation on the entry. For the auto recording, if you want to enable the auto recording, you can also enable the cloud or the local recording. So it's your call. And once all the details are filled, it will create a meeting. You will get a notification here like meeting is created, and now you can go to the upcoming meeting section, and this meeting is listed here. So when we have to start this meeting, you just have to play this option and the meeting will be it will display like this one to start the meeting. And browser join option, like if you want to start meeting inside the browser, it will display like this one, like fill the values, and then as a student you can join the meeting within the browser. And these meeting can also be embedded inside the lesson. So these are the available option for the meeting, and you can use this meeting inside post as a shortcode, or you can also use this meeting shortcode inside the lesson or the topics. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.